How to post a video on X. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open X. Log into your account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on plus button on bottom right. After you do that, you'll find all these options pop up. Simply click on post. After you click on post, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In bottom left, you'll find gallery-like option. Click on it and select the video you want to post. You can also edit your video by trimming it. After you're done, click on done located on top right. You can add a comment to your video. After that, click on post located on top right corner of your screen. As you can see, this is how to post a video on X. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.